This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay, here we are. We're in this 1970s built home. Obviously, it's been updated. Probably flipped 5 or so years ago is my guess. So we got a little double sink here in this bathroom, and I'm gonna first tell you what we're looking at. We got two bathrooms and a kitchen sink, all of which the plumbing drain lines are installed improperly. I'm going to show you how easy this is to identify. So let's take a look underneath here. Okay, so what we've got is what was originally probably one sink is now a double sink vanity. Okay, and let's look under the sink here first. Here we got a trap. Great. We like traps. We need traps. Okay, that prevents sewer gases from entering the home. And if you look over here, now we've got another trap in between the two, and then a third trap down here. There it is. Okay, so this has 2 traps too many. All that's really necessary in this case is 1 trap in the middle. This is probably close enough to be good enough for both sinks here in this case. What will actually happen is, since we've got multiple traps going on, if you happen to be draining both sinks at the same time, which clearly is very possible given how close they are together, it can actually cause a siphon effect from one trap to another. And so this is a clear non-professional installation here on this bathroom here. Now let's head downstairs to the kitchen and take a look at that one. Okay, and now here we are in the kitchen. We got a double sink here, and we've got a similar situation going on. We got a garbage disposal there. It's got a trap on that side and a second trap under the other side of the sink. Again, an improper installation here. Again, it's going to cause a siphon effect if you're draining 2 at the same time. This is just unnecessary. It should just be the garbage disposal side should just drain straight into here, and we just have the 1 trap keeping the sewer gases out. So let's go downstairs again to the last bathroom and talk about that one. Okay, here we are in this final bathroom, the second bathroom here. What we're actually seeing here is what's called an S trap. So this is a different configuration. It's actually banned per code, this type of trap anymore. What's actually happened, and this is common in a mid-70s home where we got a toilet down here, and the floor drain just goes, the drain just goes straight to the floor. We've actually heard of instances where the toilet, if it flushes so strongly, it can actually have a sucking effect on this plumbing line and actually pull water out of that trap, basically negating the effect of the trap. So again, an improper installation on all 3 all 3 sinks and drains here. So this is just an obvious non-professional installation to us. We'll point it out to these buyers and make sure that they are aware of the issue, and hopefully they get it resolved.